When it comes to content creation, you want to make that process easy and fun. That way you don't get stuck in your head and avoid posting. Speaking from someone that is very guilty of doing this in the past when I first became a content creator. So how do you actually accomplish that? Everyone wants to become a content creator, but no one is actually showing you how. I'm Georgie-Ann, a business coach who became a paid content creator in less than 6 months. In this series, Content Creation 101, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to become a content creator. 3 things that I like to do to make it easy and fun to create content is 1, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Where's your tripod? What are your recording dates? What is your setup like? What type of content are you going to make? Did you write your scripts beforehand? Did you ideate? Did you research? If you keep these things intact and if you keep a process, a consistent flow, Monday's my recording day, Tuesday's my editing day, Thursday's when I schedule my posts, it'll make it easy for you to do. So consistency doesn't just start from when you actually push out the post. Consistency starts from your planning phase, your setup phase, the things that you do before anyone even sees a piece of content and even before you get behind the camera or the microphone. Second, you don't have to worry about perfection. People don't connect with perfection. They connect with you and your unique personality. While you're spending all this time focusing on perfection, someone else just produced 10, 15, 100 pieces of content and just put it out there and is continuously getting better day by day. Being consistently good will always be better than being occasionally perfect. Never forget that. And lastly, overthinking is your enemy. Again, very guilty over here. Make the content easy to produce. Don't overthink. Stop second guessing yourself. If you edit the video one way and then have an idea afterwards, just put out that original edit and then put out that second video with an alternative edit. Movies do this all the time. You see a full-blown movie and then out of nowhere they publish another version of the movie with an alternative ending. You are allowed to change your mind and edit the video again, do the thing again, but don't let that stop you up with that first original piece of content. Just put it out there, see where it goes, and you could always edit and redo it and update it later. As it has famously been said, done is better than perfect, and this also applies to content creation. I'm not telling you to go do something that doesn't look good and doesn't have the effort in it, but sometimes we overthink and that holds us back way more than not having the right tools will ever. Get your planning intact, get your systems organized, and get to content creation and make it fun and make it easy so that way it becomes a ritual, you stay consistent, and you engage with your audience and build that authority and community. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you all about how to repurpose your content so that way one piece of content could turn into 10, 15, 20 pieces of content. So make sure you go ahead and follow me so that way you'll be notified when the next video drops.